First game, Bromback.
Wow.
Bromback is...
Kung kalaban na Efren Bata Reyes, mga kabilyarista, best bank player alive. Galing nito. Efren Bata Reyes, didiskarte naman dito. Pasok! Pero pasok pa rin. Eto, simple na lang kay Efren Bata Reyes to. Magandang araw muli mga kabilyarista. Isa na naman po na Efren Bata Reyes ang ating mapapanood ngayon sa araw na to. 2010 Derby City Classic Bank Final Match Race 3, Efren Reyes versus Jan Brumbach ng Amerika. Video credited to AccuStats Video Production. Visit their channel and subscribe to their channel for more international billiard games. Just click the link below. So, race 3 lamang to mga kabilyarista. Punta na tayo. At final part na to. Si Jan Brumbach ang tumitira. Yun. Grabe. Sapul na sapul. Rack 1 lang to mga kabilyarista. Tignan natin sa slow-mo. Isa pong napagagaling at world champion itong kalaban ni Efren Bata Reyes na bank pool base player alive. Napakagaling to mga kabilyarista. At ang champion dito ay si Jan Brumbach. Sa Efren Bata Reyes ang challenger dito. Pareho na silang may 4 na bola. Yun. Muntik na mapapasok ni Jan Brumbach. So kailangan makalima sila ng pasok dito. Dito sa Rack 1. Efren Bata ngayon ang titira sa last ball nila. So 9 na bola lang ang mga bola dito from ball number 1 to ball number 9 at kailangan makapagpasok po sila ng 5 na bola para manalo sa isang rack. So parang hill nila dito sa rack number 1. So manipis ang tama ni Jan Brumbach. Efren Bata Reyes, unang pagkakataon ni Efren, pero grabe, nasa dulong-dulo po yung cue ball. Manipis din, ang tama. So kailangan magaling ka dito sa mga bank shot, sa mga real kick shot, kasi dapat kalkulado mo lahat mga angle dito. Parang one packet, pero mas mahirap to kasi lahat ng bola na ititirahin mo kailangan talaga isa bank shot ang gagamitin mo. Manipis din ang tama ni Jan Brumbach. So nagpapalitan na lang po sila dito ni Efren Bata Reyes.
again, keep in mind, I missed it.
56 years old itong si Efren Bata Reyes dito mga kabilyarista, at si Jan Brumbach ay
This is the type of event thankful that bad pool players like.
61 minus 15.
There's no lag in this spot.
So nasa 50
This is the angle you're waiting for. This is the shot you're waiting for.
52 itong si Jan Brumbach. Pasok! Grabe talaga, napakagaling ng kalaban na Efren, mga kabilyarista. So ang panalo sa Rock 1 ay itong si Jan Brombach. Grabe, sapul na sapul po ang kanyang tira sa last ball nila.
Very well fell apart this game because Efren really came back strongly. Efren came to play. So how about if he feels like the underdog?
So 0-1 ang score.
This is really
Punta na tayo sa Rock 2.
great left-handed.
Wala pa rin silang naipapasok dito, mga kabilyarista. So Efren Bata, kinaliwa pa niya.
Okay, well, he drew it back.
Pero medyo makapal ang tira ni Magician.
He did. Okay. And he left the bank on the 7 too. But is that possible that he's thinking, well, I'm the underdog in bank pool with this guy? They stiff him pretty easily, especially when they're a little off the rail like this.
So John can bank the 7 far side, float the cue ball into the blue too.
Jan Brombach.
Because it's certainly not that wrong.
Mukhang side ang patama niya dito. Kailangan niya ipasok sa side. Pasok.
Well, bank pool players have a certain
Talaga.
speed that they like to hit the
So nakisang bola na si Jan.
ball, the cue ball into
Efren Bata Reyes. Wala pa rin ipapasok dito.
Take the bank on the 6 cross side.
Yeah, but he wants to make this, so he's going to hit this.
Well, you were
Muntik na yun. Tumama sa kanto.
look where the cue ball is.
He was very fortunate to have left the cue ball where he did after missing that bank because he had a really like split speed and he was
Efren Bata.
not to have left there with the shot.
Efren did go
Nag-safety shot lang muna sa Efren dito.
Efren's a very intelligent player.
Race 3 lamang to. So Efren Bata Reyes talagang kailangan maghintay siya ng isang magandang tira. Hindi niya pwedeng kailangan na bigyan ng open itong si Jan Brombach.
all out.
Talagang napakagaling to sa bank shot.
Spot for a safety here, Danny. He has a shot at that.
That's fine, buddy.
Okay, then he'll shoot the 5 if that's what he has. Yeah, the 5 is a very risky shot.
Good call.
Mhm.
He wants to win. Look where he put the cue ball. He's got great speed.
Well, yeah, he's got excellent.
Gumanti ng safety shots dyan.
Okay. He won the
Efren
match
Bata Reyes.
last year, and it wasn't any surprise because he is regarded as the
Grabe yung cue ball. Nasa reel talaga.
never been guilty of not being smart. And once again, he showed us that, you know, he's an intelligent player that plays the right shot.
Nicely put. Oh, did he hit it?
Good.
So it sure did.
Good shot pa rin.
He hit the paint. He hit the ball and it didn't even move. He hit the paint.
Now Brombeck can hit. Oh, Brombeck shooting the 5 there. You know, this is questionable. But he must really like it. Once again, this is a type of, I don't know if it's one, but it
Can't even hit
doesn't
it.
even look like a move. He's calling something to his left, and it has to be the 5. Now, he must like this shot. You know, it must be on an angle that he's quite familiar with.
Let's see what.
Ball number 3.
I mean,
Pasok.
it was, that's the bank pool player.
Grabe talaga sa galing itong si Jan Brombach. Mapapalaban talaga si Magician dito, mga kabilyarista.
Getting up in the finals.
Tinaguri ang best
I had that problem.
bank pool player alive. Best of the best to, mga kabilyarista. World champion.
Notice he controlled the cue ball pretty well.
So sumablay ang tira ni Jan. Efren Bata Reyes. Mukhang may chance sa Efren para sa mula 1. Tingnan natin si Magician dito.
Stick there and leave the pink ball, is he? Must be shooting ball back.
Makapal ang tama ni Efren.
Which he did. Well, he left the bank.
Yeah, the one ball went down table far enough to have left a cross straight back and back.
I like that.
Oh, it built it. Same team, they played good speed with both the cue ball and the one ball. You know, really nothing bad that can happen to Blumberg.
Except that.
Unless he hits it
He hit back.
poorly.
He didn't like
But
that.
no one expected
Okay, walang pumasok. Hindi na ipasok ni Jan ang kanyang tira. Efren Bata. Wala pa rin ipapasok sa Efren.
I don't think it's free.
Ball number 1 para kay Magician.
Got a lot of pretty good bank. He missed it.
Manipis pa rin ang tama ni Efren.
To his left. He has an option here. He can either bank the 9-5 or the 3. I don't know if he can reach the 3.
He would have to shoot it, but he can win.
Gumamit ng bridge si Jan para sa ball number 3. Wow!
You know, that is even.
Sumayad ng konti pero sentrong-sentro mga kabilyarista.
That doesn't alleviate
So naka 3 points na, 3 balls na itong si Jan Brombach. Wala pa rin po sa Efren Bata Reyes dito sa Rock 2.
On a Monday night, that's pretty good sign for two. See you later.
Nako po,
Boy, he struck that so nice.
grabe, kabisadong kabisado. So 4 na ang naipapasok nitong si Jan Brombach. Isa na lang ang kailangan niya para
Boy, he struck that so
iwanan sa Efren ng dalawang rock sa kanilang laban. At
Well, he knew he was going to.
final match to mga kabilyarista.
What do you do now? Do you cut the two? Do you make those balls, put them on the spot?
You know, when you're leading
253 sila na naglaban-laban dito at dalawa na lang sila ni Jan Brombach na iiwan dito.
4, draw the 2 ball back to where it is now.
Well, he's going to cut the eight and go all the way downstream.
I think that was a mistake.
So intentional na ang ginawa niyang tirang yon.
Mistake is because you're leading 4 is just by
Ibabalik yon sa gitna.
those 2 balls go. Graham would like it, but he may not be able to do that because of the position of the 2 ball.
So Efren Bata ngayon ang titira.
The ball on the spot. He's banking at this. So
He's backing it to his left.
straight on. He didn't make it. Can he cross?
Wala pa rin ang tira ni Efren.
Looks like it may be available. He wants to come down the other side of the table.
Manipis ang tama. Jan Brombach. Mukhang magpupuril siya dito o 3 reels. Yun, side ball pala yun.
Notice that he hit it with that speed again. The speed that he's like, and it's so important to understand what type of action it is because it's really a dictator. Speed is a dictator. It tells you how it's going to be real short or long.
Hindi pa matansya ni Magician.
Knows how it's going to be.
Pero kanina sa unang rack, siya yung unang naka 4.
He hit it well.
Nakahabol lang itong si Jan Brombach. Talagang tumatama-tama lang siya sa ano,
There's a lot of banks.
sa bunganga ng butas ang mga tira ni Efren.
Six. And the later six.
Yun, tinuro ni Jan.
Well, he's backing this, and once again, you really have to like this guy to shoot it up like that.
I'm not sure we knew that.
Of course.
Nasa peak ng kanyang laro itong sa Efren Bata Reyes mga kabilyarista. Ang ating idolo na si Magician.
And he just won the game. No, he did.
Uy, muntik na.
Left the bank.
Grabe, 5-0 sana yon pag napasok ni Jan Brombach.
To run 5 there.
Look at that ball. Come down the table.
Magician, Efren Bata Reyes.
Right, and he sleeps.
Grabe, kung hindi manipis, sablay pa rin.
He's really
Kung hindi manipis, ay makapal ang tira ni Efren. Ayan, napakabunta po siya ng kanyang ulo.
you know, and I thought he was playing extremely well going into this match. That's maybe he should have.
Jan Brombach dito sa Rock 2. Pasok. Grabe. Naka 5 balls na siya. Jan Brombach. At 0 to 9 score. Opo. Wala pa rin pong panalo sa Efren. Medyo hindi po pa nakabisado na Efren ng mga banda dito. Puro manipis at makapal ang kanyang tira. Sumasablay. Jan Brombach nag-break sa Rock 3. So back to 0 ball tayo dito sa Rock 3. Nasa hill na po si Jan Brombach. Efren Bata Reyes nangangapa pa rin. May pumasok sa break ni Jan, so siya pa rin ang magti-take ng shot dito. Yung bolang naipasok ni Jan sa break ay ibabalik yun mamaya doon sa spot. sa may gitna.
Oh no.
Yun.
You know what? That's behind the cue ball.
Sumablay ang tira ni Jan. Ayun po, babalik na po ng referee
And if he can't hit the ball on the spot,
para maging 9 balls na naman ang bola sa table.
it blocks part of it.
No, I don't think so. He's froze on the 2. Look at this view.
Yeah. He's frozen on
So,
the
kailangan manalo ni Efren dito
man who may have.
para hindi po masiro ang ating si Magician.
You know, this ball has to be struck well. Do you go for this? I wouldn't be surprised to see him go for this in position.
No, he went a little wide. A little bit wide.
Makapal pa rin ang tira ni Efren. Nakakapa pa rin po ang ating pambato na sa Efren Bata Reyes.
The 3 ball, he left the 2, the 1, and maybe the 3.
Well, yeah, he's going to shoot one.
Ayan at tinura na naman niya sa side ball ang bola uno. Jan Bromback.
Fairly big pocket with the back outside, but the 7 does still block a portion of that pocket.
Billy, they bank ball. Well, you're right. He hit the 7.
Pasok pero tumama po sa bola 7. So hindi po yan counted mga kabilyarista. Kailangan straight ang tama nila doon sa
Calling the pocket.
packet. Hindi dapat sasabit yon. Parang tsamba lang po yan mga kabilyarista.
Now Reyes once again has an opportunity. The 2 ball is
So 0 pa rin si Jan Bromback dito sa Rock 3.
not a problem.
Efren Bata Reyes may nakahalang na bola. Tignan natin.
That one. Where are you, two ball?
Tumama rin sa Efren Bata Reyes mga kabilyarista. 1 point na po si Magician. Tignan natin dito sa slow-mo.
Hey, that one.
Medyo manipis pa rin ng konti pero pumasok pa rin.
I don't know if he's even looking at it.
He's got the 9.
The 7 ball is right in front of the 2 ball. That man's cross corner. Now he's taking a look at it.
So
Like that.
laking adjustment din ang ginagawa ni Efren.
The 9 is very different. Well,
I didn't think so.
Uy,
He went short.
makapal na naman si Magician.
Did, but he
Ang kanyang tama sa bola 8. Diamond
attacked to get back.
table po itong pinaglalaroan nila mga kabilyarista. So, kabisado na rin na Efren pero lamang pa rin dito si Jan Bromback. Lagi pong naglalaro po dito yan.
Doesn't matter. He's got a bank on the 6.
He's looking to bank his 7 to his left.
At siya po palagi ang nagcha-champion dyan sa Derby City. Lalo na kung mga Derby City Classic, Bank Pool at saka Derby City.
This ball's going to come back.
Basta Bank Pool, lagi siya po ang nanalo mga kabilyarista. So Efren Bata Reyes, another chance for him. Mukhang madali na lang na ipasok na Efren to sa tingin ko lang.
You know, you figure to make it
Bola 7 para kay Magician.
pretty easy, but
So he had to go down
Pasok.
and play position,
Nagawa na nyo yun kanina, so
whether it be the 1 or
madali na lang para kay Efren. 2 balls na sa Efren. So kailangan na lang niya ng 3 para maka-score dito sa kanilang labanan ng napakagaling na si Jan Bromback. Makapal na naman ang tama ni Efren. So sablay ang bola sa is. Babalik sa table itong si Jan.
okay, though, if you haven't done many matches, you haven't had a chance to say Brownback a bunch of times. So you're saying
Thank you for clarification
Brownback.
on that. Thank you.
Well, I just want to explain your deficiency. Too Tall Jones, he had 12 fights and won them all and quit. He didn't like it. He did. He had 12 professional fights and won them all.
Grabe sa pool.
He's going to end up with a shot clock here on the 5 here. Might maybe
So talagang napapalaban dito sa Efren mga kabilyarista.
3. You play the 5.
At kabisado nitong si Jan Bromback ang kanyang mga bank shot. So nakawan na po si Jan dito sa Rock 3.
they'll play the 5 cross.
Efren Bata Reyes, 2 bola.
Yeah, that's a great one. I just keep this view, see what he's trying to play here. Because
Playing the ping pong.
it looks like it doesn't have room.
Yeah, it's about half inch from the 1 and he got it.
Right. You know what? That's very
He
deceptive.
split it.
Wow! Sa pool.
Brownback.
Magkasunod na tira ang ginawa ni Jan. So,
So, 3-1.
naka 2 balls na rin siya. Wow.
No, he could follow. He could follow. He did make
Yeah, there was no pitch, Terry.
Talagang napakagaling tong kalaban ni Efren mga kabilyarista. Tatlong sunod-sunod na tira, walang mintis. So 3 balls na siya, dalawa na lang kailangan ni Jan. Efren Bata Reyes, dalawa pa lang. So ang tumitira pa rin ni si Jan Brombach.
There's a kiss there. Boy, Billy, I'll tell you what. I love doing commentary with you.
Efren Bata Reyes, kailangan na mag-double time po sa Efren dito.
Back. He didn't have much of a chance.
Why don't you give me a chance to be mad at you? From back.
He made it.
Ayun! So, sinagot naman ni Efren to ng isang napakagandang tira. So 3-all na. 3 balls na rin sa Efren. At mukhang madali nilang tong susunod na tira para kay Efren. Yun!
Rivera said, doesn't count when the famous in.
Efren Bata Reyes, isang bola na lang para umiscore dito sa kanilang laban. Rack 3.
A game here. Match not over yet. He made it. Nope.
Yun!
Nope. Very close. No cigar.
Makapal ng konti ang tira ni Magician. Grabe.
Brombach was very pleased that that did go.
Umalog pa.
Okay. What is the score now? So he's going to hit this with a pretty
Jan Brombach
hard speed.
para sa bola 8.
But he's going to watch that shoot.
Uy, muntik na. Sumabit din.
Well, he did.
So another chance for Efren Bata Reyes.
But he needs.
Dito sa Rack 3.
Is he gonna two-rail this in the corner?
Kabisado na na Efren to.
Well, I think he's going to two-rail the one.
Nagdadalawang isip si Efren, pero itong yellow is madali nilang tirahin na Efren to eh. Lagi niya nakukuha to sa kanyang mga trick shot. Yun nga bang sinasabi? Medyo manipis.
Don't make it. He shot.
Hindi po makapaniwala si Magician. Nasablay niya ang tira na yun. Samantalang favorite shot na Efren yun, mga kamigalista.
The one straight back, or even back to 8 cross corner. I know what I would shoot. I would shoot 8 cross corner, but if you hit shots
Jan Brombach.
it's kind of tempting, but it's very, very risky, especially by playing the 8, you play the cue ball as well as the 8 ball, so therefore you have two things going for you to play the 8. But play the 1, you better watch out.
Sinisilip
You
maigi.
defend against the 8 and the 1 if it's missed. And if you can hit more accurately than the 8. But it's not an easy shot at all. It has to be struck well.
He's striking him pretty well. It's a tricky shot. This is not a gimme for sure. He made it. Oh, he did.
Muntik na.
He had a shot at the
Grabe rin yun. Grabe. Madali lang sana yung bola 8 kung kinuha niya Jan Brombach yun.
Hard. He had a disadvantage because about the pocket corner second. He's not shooting into a full pocket
Efren Bata Reyes
table with a very nice shot.
sa kanyang
And the pocket that he can't move.
panghuling bola.
He went wide again. He went wide.
Well, you know, I
Wow.
would have made
Malayo. Makapal pa rin ang tama ng Efren sa ball number 8.
I shoot the one in and drip it right in the pocket. You do Yeah, I like making the one dripping right there.
pressure on your opponent. You want to put pressure on your opponent
Palagay ko ipapasok na lang niya itong bola 1
by pocketing this ball.
para titira sa gitna sa Efren.
Chance of winning.
At nakasagad ang
Applying pressure to your
cue ball sa reels. So mahirap na
pressure grab to hold it.
tira.
Sometimes you break down. Then
Napaka-diskarte rin tong si Jan Brombach.
Well, this is a good shot.
So pipilitin niya sa Efren Bata Reyes
Right near
na
Shannon.
sumabay ng tira para mag-open sa kanya.
Another great bank player, Shannon Bell. Oh, no, he didn't scratch though.
Efren Bata, medyo mahina ang kanyang tira.
Oh, miscued.
Yun ang lang hinihintay ni Jan Brombach.
No, he should. He would have been better off. Because
Do you rub your back or your back?
I never thought of that.
Yeah. Well, now you won't
I'll-
forget again.
Whenever I want to call,
Hindi basta-basta tumitira itong si John Brombach.
remember my back. Yeah.
Sinisipat na mabuti.
Yeah, let's call him John.
John back.
John Beck. His name is Brom John Beck.
Kalanganin pa.
I knew this was going to be fun doing this.
Whew.
Do you bank it and go into the 8?
Ilang attempt yan ah.
Just a little bit of speed, I think, but not much. I think we try to draw away from the 8 to use more accuracy.
He switched it.
Uh,
And he made
galing.
it feel good. Now he's
Uy,
back.
pasok din ng bola 8.
This is the game.
Pero isang point lang yon. So nakaapat na rin si John Brombach.
What?
At titira siya sa gitna yung 8. Ibabalik dun sa spot. Place.
Take his chances, whatever. He's shooting at the game to be a
So siya pa rin ngayon ang may unang chance para tirahin ng bola 8.
all the accuracy.
At umiscore dito. Naku po, mukhang tatapusin na yata to ni John Brombach. Grabe.
Fire it in 100 miles an hour. Get it?
Boom! Sinasabi ko na nga ba. So winner po dito si John Brombach, mga kabilyarista.
Brombach won.
Unpredictable naman po ang nangyari. So talagang ganun po. Pero maraming salamat po sa inyong panunood, mga kabilyarista. Bagamat tayo po sa FM Bata Reyes, pero number 2 pa rin siya dito. At maraming salamat po sa inyong panunood, mga kabilyarista. So hindi po nakasubscribe sa ating channel, subscribe na po kayo at pinutin yung notification bell para ma-update kayo sa ating mga susunod. At maraming salamat. God bless po sa inyong lahat.